Hi everybody, just a quick Excel tip for a Smart 365 video. As you're working in Excel, you can navigate around using your mouse just by clicking the different cells. And one way to modify the existing text within that cell is to double click on that cell and then click in the area in which you want to modify it. Another way to navigate around in Excel is to use your arrow keys, and then instead of double clicking on that cell, when you get to, if I wanted to change this cell to be precast concrete, I could just hit the F2 button and it gets me in there, and I can arrow over and I could type precast concrete and then hit enter. So I don't even have to use my mouse, otherwise I could just double click and go in there and then delete that, or going to work in that cell there, hit F2, and I can alter that and modify that cell without having to even touch my mouse. So quick Excel Smart 365 video. Thanks.